What's up, good people? Today, I want to introduce yourself with GateArt. GateArt NFT Marketplace makes NFT trading simple and affordable for artists, designers, and collectors. For the whole community, a multi-platform. GateArt is aimed to build a digital marketplace for non-fungible tokens. Users in the platform can buy, sell, own various digital assets, and search different NFTs within the GateArt market. Digital assets create several opportunities and new business models. It gives creators the potential to provide their fans special perk and no intermediary in delivering the ownership rights. NFTs offer the option to verify the authentic owner for digital artworks, items, and enabling the transfer of ownership. Each transaction will be recorded on the blockchain and cannot be altered, and it works as proof of ownership. GetArt will allow its users to mint their own NFTs on their marketplace, opening doors for different possibilities for artists and creators alike. NFTs are unique digital items, such as collectibles, artwork, and in-game items. These tokens are basically be created by artists who will be able to tokenize their works to ensure that it is unique, making the ownership managed by blockchain. So far, NFTs are basically an extension of that very idea that the author wants to convey. You used to confer value on tangible assets that you could touch and see, like gold, stamps, artwork. Now you increasingly do so with intangible assets that you mostly see but probably cannot touch. Cryptocurrencies are an approximation of the principle, but NFTs go a bit further and apply that concept of store of value to those more collector-oriented objects. So far, most NFTs have been based on the Ethereum network standard. However, they are about to emerge on the new Binance Smart Chain (BSC) network. So the platform itself has announced. So we are likely to see another boom in this sector. NFTs enable you to verify the authenticity of digital artwork and objects, as well as past ownerships. Each transaction will be registered on the blockchain and will serve as evidence of ownership, as it can not be changed. The name of the token is GEX. GEX is currently ranked 3676 on CoinMarketCap. GEX has been listed on many cryptocurrency exchanges, but unlike other major cryptocurrencies, it cannot be purchased with fiat currency. You can still purchase this coin by first purchasing Bitcoin on the major exchange and then transferring to an exchange that trades the coin. Now let's talk some of their features. The first one is gaming. Non-fungible token NFTs, digital assets that reflect in-game content, are the driving force behind blockchain technology in gaming. The blockchain networks that underpin NFTs promote player ownership, probable scarcity, and immutability, whereas the tokens themselves are one of a kind, uncommon, and individual. NFTs could be used to manage properties in a role-playing game. For example, this gives a value to the cards that they didn't have before. Each card would represent an NFT. The owner of the NFT has complete control over the book and is free to do whatever he wants with it, including selling ebook version on different online marketplaces, selling printed copies in physical stores, and so on. For the time being, ERC-721 will be used as the protocol in this solution. And the final last one is collectibles. NFTs can represent collectibles like card collections but in digital format. So hurry up and get your token as soon as possible to be one of the first holders of GetArt and benefit from its benefits. Thank you.